Hey guys, what is up? Today we are doing an awesome DIY, and this DIY is going to be on how to make like outfit decider and a hair decider in the morning. So all you need is a box, and it needs to be about 6 centimeters. It doesn't matter, but it needs to be like quite small. Big box. And you just place the paper on top, fold the sides, and fold that down. Then just fold the scrap paper to the side. Then you just fold it, and then you just take that like so. Just with tons of nice words on it, like OMG, love it, or fabulous. So I just wrote tons of nice words that I thought were sweet, cute, happy, and I really liked them. I also just did some smiley faces. And we're also going to be cutting a hole here because you should have kept the hole in your box. So now just try to get as close to that and cut it like this. Okay, so I did a step without you, just cutting the hole and adding the papers in. The papers just say like hairstyles and outfits. Like this one says color pop. For me, that means like I wear plain gray. And then there would be one pop of color, maybe like red purse to the side or something like that. And this one says that you should that one. This one says unique outfit. So that means maybe, well, for me it means like sort of like checkered plaid skirt, black tights, and a sweater top or whatever. And when you're done, you just grab it, look in the top, slide it in. And it slides in easily. See? Let's pick another. Just one more. There. This one says, okay, so this one says simplicity rocks. And that sort of means like I would put just a plain dress on or whatever. And then I may put like, for shoes, I might put like some cute boots on, that like rainbow boots. So yeah, for this, you would just stick it on your wall like so, and you just stick it with like that tacky stuff that you put on your wall, and it doesn't wreck it, the paint. And then you could see all my stuff I wrote. One of those is like brain. The one that says braid to side is one of them. This one, it just says unique fashionista, love, beautiful, that stuff. I really like it because I just writ and then I cut, so I thought it looks cool that way. Usually you would stick it on your wall, but I'm just holding it to show you. So yeah, this is the top. Looking into it, there it is. So you can see my fingers, see? Yeah. And I really like this. It's not like DIY is DIY, but it's a really cute thing, and I really like it. So, bye guys. I'll see you next time. Bye. Comment down below, please, and subscribe to me. You guys barely comment down below, and I know you should because there's 12 of you, so bye.